Welcome back, ladies. How are you all doing today? I hope you all are having a great day. Thank you all so much for stopping by today. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. So for today's video, it's another non-sponsored video. I've worked with this company before and they are kind of popular, well known today. Temu. I decided to go back on their website to see if I can actually find things that are more elegant and more how would I put it, stylish and good quality. Yes, I'm all about good quality. Even though this channel is all about looking good is not equal to breaking the bank, I still want to have quality. I still want to dress looking all polished, all looking together without looking trashy. That is always going to be me, no matter what. If I dress, some people have age limit to dressing. Me, I don't know why. Me, I go dress as I want dress anytime where I feel like. It doesn't matter if you are 40, 50, 60, as long as you're comfortable in what you're wearing, just go for it. But at least I like to make it classy, if you understand what I mean. So ladies, this is how this, as much as I ordered this time. So we're going to go ahead and open it. It's a lot. It is a lot. Ladies, these are so much fun thing that we're going to be featuring. I actually forgot everything I ordered, but when I opened the bag, I figured I cannot do this video as in everything at once. It's going to be too long and I don't want it to be in that. So I'm going to divide this video into part 1 and part 2. Please watch this part 1. I'm going to be doing the clothing haul first. In this particular video altogether, I have clothes to feature. I have some wigs I purchased from them. I bought something related to wig again, apart from wig. In the wig department, I'm going to be needing an accessory. I bought 2 of different types of accessories from their website that goes in the family of the wig. So that's how I'm sectioning this video. Also, I have jewelries, a lot of it. In another section, I also purchased sunglasses, which I'm going to be featuring in another video. But in today's video, I'm going to be doing the clothing haul. Please do not forget, let me know your thought about this video in the comment section. Don't forget, I'm coming back for the rest of the haul, which is going to be another section. Thank you all so much for hanging in there with me. Let's roll into today's video. So ladies, I have 7 outfits to try today on this in this video of today. I'll be trying these 7 outfits by Temu. So these are not sponsors. I'm going to tell you what I feel about it. Like I told you, I took my time picking this out. I wanted to see the quality and the way they look on the models. They look so amazing. Most of them, I think you're going to refer to them as elegant, because that was the theme I was going for when I was selecting this outfit. So let's jump to the fun part, where what I love to do most. Right, ladies, let's jump into it. All right, ladies, this is the first one. I'm really impressed. Like, the quality is so amazing. The button, you can put it all the way to your neck, that it will give you like a bishop-like kind of collar. I just don't want to do that because it's going to be too much of work on me unbuttoning it. So I decided to just leave it halfway. But I just wanted to share with you that you can do that. You can tuck it in if you want to. The short has an invisible zipper at the back, and you can tuck it in or tuck it out, or leave one sleeve out, one tucked out, one tucked in, if you like that style. It's just elegant. I like the print on it too, the flowery print. And if you want to go on vacation, or you just want to dress up or dress down, trust me, you can do this with this outfit. So here is the second one, which is just a casual outfit that you can just, wear within the house, or if you're just gonna go, I'll wear this within the house or within my neighborhood, but I wouldn't wear it as far as going to do grocery. Yeah, I wouldn't, but just within the house kind of, or just for me to within my neighborhood, and that is it. I just like it. And by the way, it's this material, the first one was spandex, and every outfit I'm featuring, they are size small. That's what I wear currently. All right, and this one is just pray on it, over it, through it. That was what motivated me to purchase this one in the first place, and I think I can wear it at home too and just around my neighborhood. All right, ladies, this is the third outfit. It's a lace material. It feels good on my body, but the cutting is just too much. People are going to be able to see your bra if you have my kind of body weight or body size. I don't know which one is the appropriate one to use. This is size small. if you have hips just like me and you have your behind too just like me, this style will be very better for you to go up in size. I chose size small, but I believe I did the right thing. If you have picked size medium, the cutout on the sleeve is still going to be super big. This is size small, yet I'm not comfortable with the way they cut out the sleeve. It's too inside, like people can actually see your underwear, your bra. Aside from that, the style is really beautiful. It's elegant. It's something that you can wear to, you know, to the beach, like a beach party, beach baby party or something like that, or cocktail. I just like it. It's really beautiful. It's elegant, and it has an hidden zipper at the back. It has this kind of mock neck style going on. It's really amazing. I cannot pick size medium because the sleeve will not, the cutout sleeve will not work for me. You can still see the bra, but aside from that, it's really something that if you want to look into, I can still recommend it for you. But I just want you to be warned that the way they cut the sleeve of the sleeve, it's inside too much. But I like how it reveals my shoulder, but I don't want people saying my bra. I think they can work better on that side. Aside from that, everything about this outfit, it's beautiful. So here is the fourth one. Ladies, this would have been better. Like, I love the upper part of it. The bottom, I don't like the way it looks. It's a mixture of cotton, spandex, and rayon. That's what I saw on the label. But the way they cut the bottom is just too much of material. And this is size small. I love the upper part of it. I wish I can just cut it out and throw away the bottom part and just use the upper part. Even though the upper part is a little bit big, you can see where I was showing you on the way they cut it, but it's still very manageable. Like, it's not that obvious. But the bottom part, I cannot deal with that at all. There's too much of material going on. The flap doesn't stay where it's supposed to be when you have trouser on, you know, when you have pants on. And it comes with a belt. I don't know. I don't think this outfit needed a belt at all in the first place. The belt is just going to take away the beauty of the upper part of the body. You don't need no belt. That belt is going to cause it to cut your midsection instead of accentuating it. Here is the sixth one. It has a combination of spandex and false leather going on. I love all the in fact, I just love everything about this dress. It's a mini black dress and it's beautiful, very comfortable as well. The tailoring is not bad at all. It's a good quality for the price. I forgot how much I purchased each and every one of these outfits. During my editing, I'll try as much as I can to look for it and put them on the screen. All right, the prices. And I love the style. This look like chic, bossy, fun kind of outfit. Like, you can dress it up and dress it down depending on where you're going. This can go to, like, you know, going to get coffee with your friends, or in the night you can go for a night out with this outfit. It is absolutely beautiful. Here is the seventh one. Oh, I so much like this dress to the point that I had to use pin, safety pin, to hold it just for me to style this outfit. I even went ahead and put on a shoe. I love the color, I love the style, I love how it feels. It's so free on your body. It's not bodycon, and the style will fit every body shape, I believe. This is really amazing. But the only problem I have with this top is the upper body. Again, the way they cut it is just too loose. I'll be taking this in to go get it fixed. I don't mind paying extra money to get this fixed because I love the outfit. I'm not going to return it. I'm not even returning anything. Whatever I don't like, I just donate it. That's how I go about it. And this, I really like it. I'm not going to donate this. I'm going to take it in, look for someone to fix it for me. I'll pay extra money to get that done. But just for the purpose of this video, I went ahead and used a safety pin to hold it. That's how it's supposed to look like. If you really know me, you know I always save the best for the last. So if you're watching my channel and you're watching my fashion or all of fashion and styling, don't go away, because I always save the best for the last. This outfit is given. It's 10 out of 10 minus stunning. Yes, it's absolutely beautiful. The fitting is amazing. This fringe on the side is also part of what is trending now. I mean, you don't have to wear something that is trending, but this just go with what is in vogue right now. And I'll still wear it even in 2 years by the grace of God. It's no longer in vogue. As long as it looks good on me, it still fits me, it's still looking good, I'm gonna wear it any time of the year. I don't care if it's trending or not. The wrap for me. This is where I call it the end of the video. I hope you all, ladies, I hope you all enjoy watching this video. This is the end of this video. I absolutely love this dress. It is giving, right? It is 10 plus 10 minus nothing. This is the outfit when we're talking about that. All right, ladies, I hope you all enjoy watching this video. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section about this video. It is not sponsored. Which one is your favorite? Thank you all so much for watching, and please look out for the part 2 of this video where I'm going to be featuring jewelries, wigs, and some other sunglasses, some other things I purchased. I didn't want to make this video too long, so I decided to split it into 2. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.